name is Poncella and welcome to my channel. You know, sometimes you see stains and you wonder, how can I get it out? And you're not for sure, and until it just really gets on your nerves, you're gonna try something. So I'm trying this cleaning vinegar all-purpose cleaner. I remember my mom had a stain on her door and I said, why don't you use some vinegar? She didn't have the cleaning, she just had the white vinegar. It worked perfectly. I hate the way this looks. Now, I used to use the blue Vanish In drop tablets that you'll put in the toilet bowl, but I had a plumber come out because I had to get this particular commode replaced, and he said that over time using the Vanish drop-ins is going to lead to me having to replace my commode again. So I had to give up on the Vanish drop-in tablets and find other ways to try to keep my toilet clean. Now, I have some cleaning vinegar here, and I'm going to see if that's going to work any miracles. I'm getting rid of this. Okay. Let's see. This side wants to be stubborn, but at least it somehow looks a little bit better. Hate this job. Okay, I've put some of the white vinegar on paper towel. I gotta clean this a little bit better. All right. Well, it is better than it was. Oh, let me go wash my hands, child. All right, you see that little mark on this door. Let's see. Ta-da! Cleaning vinegar to the rescue.